Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So I have an order unboxing for you today. So British Monroe released their newest release. It is called Game Night. It is full of these super fun game products, and then I also added some other fun goodies that were new. Maybe they weren't the new, like the game night stuff. Some of them are like spring things and just lots and lots of goodies. So I have a big old haul of things to show you. And I think that a lot of them will work for card making, scrapbooking, paper crafting, whatever you like. And I also know that we don't get a lot of like game stuff, right? Us guys that scrapbook, we probably often do game night stuff. My kids love chess. They love poker. I have some really cute pictures that I can scrapbook. So this collection I feel will work both for scrapbooking, card making, whatever you like. So come on, let's look at it all. All right, first off, this is the stamp of the month. So the stamp of the month is like British Monroe's flagship little stamp club membership. It's $5. $5 every month. If you want to do a stamp club plus, then you get a cute little extra product. And that's $10, but the stamp, $5. That's it, just $5. So this is the stamp of the month for April. It is called Heart Piece. And it says cute little like puzzle piece heart. And a little sentiment, it says, "You hold a big piece of my heart," which I think is adorable. I love this. This is probably one of my favorite stamp of the months that we have had in a while. Like I really feel like this is going to be so much fun to play with. And then the extra little gift is like these little puzzle pieces. And they're really thick and fun, like a little embellishment. Really, really, really cute. So we're definitely going to be playing with those this month. I think that is so cute and fun. Then I have the embossing powder of the month, which is called Dice Roll. Now this is red, but then it also has a little bit of like black sprinkles in it. So we'll see how that looks when it's all smooth and melted. Their embossing powders though, British Monroe embossing powders, I think they're the absolute best on the market. I adore them. They're really, really, really good. I have not had one yet that didn't like melt perfectly, work well, all that stuff. Okay, the next little stamp I'm going to show you is called Jackpot. This one is actually free. So this just came with my order. When you place a $60 order on the website, this will just automatically be tossed into your box. This is another one that I think will work no matter what kind of paper crafting you do. So this is called Stuck on You, and it's like a stamp that has little washi tapes with the torn edges. Like how adorable is that? And then there's two sentiments. This one says held together with love and a little bit of tape. And this one says life is better when we stick together. And I just love this stamp. I think this is going to be such a fun stamp to play with. I love that these are all like versatile patterns that you could use for almost like any topic. And I really love the sentiments too. So that one, I love that one. Okay, then we have Starshine. Now, I had to get this one because every time I look at this stamp set, what runs through my head, what runs through yours? If you are of my generation, you are humming along a Coldplay song right now. Like that is what I'm doing. And I love it. So I'm going to have some fun with this one, I think too. I had a lot of fun with the one last month. That was that big, the mason jar with the fun little sentiments. And I think this one will be just as fun. So cute. Then we have Theodore, my friend Theodore. My friend Theodore is awesome. Okay, so this one is called Theodore's Games. And we have him playing cards, and we have him playing Scrabble, and then there's 3 little cute sentiments. I love coloring up a Theodore every month. I love playing with all the little Theodore stamps. I have a full set of Theodore stamps. That is my goal. I want all of the Theodore stamps. So that is that one. And then this one. Now this is another one. This is called Theodore's Sunshine. This one is currently on pre-order. So they have ordered it. It will come back into stock. And you can pre-order it on the website. And I love it. The only thing I'm just not really like super excited about is the face on the sun. I feel like I could mask that off though, and it'll be fine. But that's just a me thing. That's not an everybody thing. That's a me thing. But I think this is so, so cute. So this is a super cute little spring Theodore stamp. Love, love, love. And then in addition to the stamp set, this one has coordinating dies. Now the coordinating dies are in the shop. You can grab the dies now, but the dies, once they sell out, they're gone. They won't be restocked. The stamp will be. The stamp has already been ordered. You can grab the stamp on pre-order. The dies, once they're gone, they're gone. So you can see the die set here, and it's all the dies, all the little images, all the sentiments, even like little raindrops have their own dies. It's a really nice die set. This is the last, no it's not. I thought I had all the stamps together, but I don't. Hold on. Hold please. Okay. This is the Stamp Club Premium for April. It's called Snackin'. So you have all these little food images and then a bunch of sentiments. So there is that one. This one is called Game Piece. Love this stamp set. I love the cards and the dies. I love little game pieces. I love the Jenga stamp. I love, love, love the poker chips. That's awesome. So excited for that. And this is going to be super fun. And I love this too, these little like square images. I think they're going to be super fun to play with. So the bottom part of this whole section, see with the little squares, there is a die that is in the shop that you can buy that will cut each, so you stamp the whole thing. This is all one big stamp, and then that die will cut apart all these little sentiments in one go. So that is really, really cool. And there's lots of sentiments. It says, no matter how many turns it takes, you'll get there, keep going. May your birthday be full of fun, laughter, and lucky rolls. No matter who wins, I'm glad you're on my team. I love that one. The next move could change everything. Sometimes the best strategy is just to keep on playing. I love that one too. Thanks for always being my favorite player. Life is full of twists, turns, and lucky spins. The best moves are yet to come. Every turn is an adventure. It's all fun and games with you. It's all fun and games until someone flips the board. That's my family. Another year older and still winning at life. So really cute, cute images and stamps. So there are a couple new paper pads, paper collections. I did not get them all. I just have 2. So I have the paper pad of the month, which is called Spring Plaid, which is super versatile, usable. I love all these plaids. I'm a plaid girl. Super cute. And then the second one is called Game Night. Now it says, so I just got this, right? I don't know all the ins and outs of it, but somehow there's a game board in here and you can play some sort of game. I'm not quite sure. But the patterns are all very geometric and kind of Art Deco-y, which I think is really cool. I love that one for sure. So that's the Game Night. And like I said, there is something going on with that great game board. And that's why it says game board included. But I am not 100% sure. I think I missed like the memo on it, which doesn't surprise me. Okay. Then I got 3 of the stencils. So you know I'm an 80s girl. This one is called Retro Shapes. This is the stencil of the month. And it's awesome. Like, look how awesome that is. I love it. So cool and fun. The next one is dice. It's called High Roller, and this is a layering die. So it'll do 2 different colors with the dice, and I love this one. I think this one would be super fun to stencil and then cut out each, like fussy cut each of the little die things, and then you could have embellishments for a scrapbook page, which I think would be awesome. Next, we have chess. Oh, I was all about this stencil. This is called Love Chess. And it's so cool. I love, love, love this one so much. My boys and my nephews are big chess players, so I know this will come in handy for lots of fun things. Then I stocked up on some sparkle overlays because I'm obsessed with sparkle overlays, and they're my favorite thing ever. So I got Cluster of Hearts, and some of these I've had before, and I'm restocking them because I go through the sparkle stuff really quick. Confetti, Delicate Wings, holographic. This one I'm interested in. Like, it's just plain. Just make something holographic. It doesn't have a design to it. And this is the sparkle one, and I use that sparkle one like all the time. I go through the sparkle one super fast. So those are all the sparkle overlays that I ordered. And then this is also something new this month that I think is so cool. Okay, so this is Create Your Own Pattern. These are washi sheets. And I use Brutus Monroe washi sheets a lot too. So I'm going to take this out so that I can kind of show you how this works, because I do think it's kind of awesome. So basically it is their washi sheets with nothing printed on them, right? So it's just white, the white paper washi strips, sticker strips. Then we have this stencil, which is called the Washi Blending Stencil. And no idea why this packaging is so big and long and skinny. And we're just gonna trim that off. Hold on. Hold please, 1 second. Okay, so the stencil, I'm gonna make sure you can see this. I'm not quite sure how to do that. So you can use it, and it fits right into that washi right there, just like that. So you can ink blend a solid color, any color you want. You can ink blend the stripes any color you want. You can do hearts any color you want. You can stamp on it, which is what I think I'm gonna do. I have an idea for one of my lives over on Brutus Monroe, where I go live on Brutus Monroe every Monday. So every Monday, 8 o'clock, I always go live over on their channel, and I show you how to play with all these goodies, which is so much fun. But anyway, so yeah, this is going to be good. This I'm going to do for a live for sure, because I really want to play with this. This is fabulous. And I got 2 of those, again, because I want to play with it. And then I did get a lot of washi strips this month, because there are some super pretty ones. Super good ones. So this one's called Doodle Art. So you could color this if you wanted. You could leave it black and white. We have had other things over the years at Brutus Monroe that have this kind of doodly floral border kind of look to it, and I love it. Love it. Then we have Checkmate. This is a duo foil, which means you can, actually, no, that one isn't. This is a duo foil, which means you can foil. So you can foil some of these washi strips and get and foil the chess pieces. So cool. This one I'm obsessed with. This is just a washi sheet. It's called Vintage Florals. Look how gorgeous. You guys know that I am a vintage floral girl to the end. And those are just beautiful. Love, love, love. This one is called Chevron Meadows, and it's really different. I think it's upside down too. But I love those colors. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous colors. So pretty and fun. And then the last washi sheet I got, because I couldn't resist it, is called Hello Spring. And I am such a sucker for like this kind of like the orange and the seafoam and then that little like pinky orangey color. I love it. This one is so good. So that's going to be super fun to play with too. All right, so that is my giant haul from Brutus Monroe. It's been a while since I've done a giant haul from them. I do receive some products for as part of their design team, but a lot of this were things I chose myself and ordered myself and wanted for myself because I knew I would use it and I was super excited to do some things. So I cannot wait. I have like the most perfect game pictures for this game release. So I'm definitely going to be playing and doing a scrapbook layout or two. I think I printed photos for 2 different ones that I really want to do with this collection. So I hope that you enjoyed this little haul. I will leave a link down below. I will leave a link just to the store so that you can easily grab whatever of these products that you like. And if you could please use that link. If you're a first-time customer, it will give you a percentage off your order. And it's an affiliate link, which means if you order using that link from the store, I earn a little bit of commission. It's not much, it's pennies, but it's lets me know that what I'm doing is something you guys enjoy. Let's put it that way. So, but I would really, really appreciate it if you decide you want to order something, if you could use that link. And I will see you again very, very soon. Bye.